Welcome to the course 210 plus exercises, Python standard libraries, from A to Z, where you can test your Python programming skills with standard libraries. My name is Paul and I'm the creator of this course. The course is designed for people who have basic knowledge in Python. It consists of over 210 exercises with solutions. The course is focused on practical learning. We'll use, for example, modules such as OS, sys, collections, pathlib, random, math, itertools, pickle, zipfile, CSV and JSON. This is a great test for people who are learning the Python language and are looking for new challenges. Exercises are also a good test before the interview. If you're wondering if it's worth taking a step towards Python, don't hesitate any longer and take the challenge today. Thank you for your attention and see you on the course.